Hello, everybody. This is KKFM. We are at the live experience with Musa Yende at Goshen City Church. We are with our lovely sister here. How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm great. Are you excited to be here?
Extremely excited, so expectant. Like I can't wait. Oh my gosh!
Yeah.
I listened to the album the whole week. Actually,
So
like
do you have a favorite song on the album?
Ume Lucy. I mean, obviously. Oh, that is like powerful.
Okay, so can you give me a line of Ume Lucy?
Oh my gosh! Yes. Okay. Ume Lucy wa mutembegile.
Oh, you know Zulu.
Yes, I do.
You speak Zulu.
No, but I understand and I can sing it and the spirit. Yeah.
Okay, so amongst the three artists, we have Brendan, Kaya, and Musa. Who's your favorite? Okay, let me just say, who are you looking for to sing the most?
That's so unfair. Oh my gosh! I'm gonna go with Musa.
Everybody has been saying Musa, Musa, Musa. Because she's the main girl.
Exactly. It's Musa's nights, basically.
Okay. Okay. So I want to teach you Zulu.
Okay.
You're going to look at the camera. You say KKFM, Vuga Ndoda.
Okay. KKFM Bugandota.
Ah, thank you.